Hi, I'm Lauren Killian. I'm from Halifax County in North Carolina, and I obtained a forest management degree from North Carolina State University. I've been working with Enviva for 6.5 years as a sustainability forester. At Enviva, I'm part of the sustainability team, and one of my main roles and responsibilities is being the manager of the independently managed group under the tree farm system. It's a certification program in which we enroll landowners under our certificate and ensure that they are doing sustainable forest management practices on their land. Being able to support our certification programs helps us to be able to sell our pellets overseas and makes us the preferred customer in the marketplace. So as the group manager, I am responsible for overseeing our program that we have enterprise-wide. That entails is that we do inspections on landowners' properties to collect forest data such as species, habitat information. We also have a conversation with them of their goals and objectives. And then other than that, we provide a written forest management plan for them. And then we also do inspections on logging jobs, checking for what we call best management practices, or BMPs, which ensure that water quality is protected on the landscape during and after harvest. When I first started at Enviva, I was actually working in the quality control lab as a lab technician. That lasted for about 6 months before I was offered the current position as a sustainability forester due to my background with a forest management degree. So working for Enviva, I've been able to sit on several professional forestry organizations, and I've also been able to volunteer to help teach kids in the area about typical forestry practices and different topics such as mapping and dendrology. Enviva also allowed me to grow in my professional development by obtaining my registered forester's license, which allows me to be recognized as a professional forester in North Carolina. Since Enviva is a fairly new company, I'm part of the sustainability team in which we support our responsible sourcing policy. And from that, I am able to be part of discussions about ways we can sustainably source our resources. And I also do ground truthing to figure out if those are going to be feasible in the field. That really lets me feel like my voice is valued and I'm able to give some of my opinions based on my expertise.